welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you guys a wig that I purchased. I've been wanting this wig for a while. I saw it the first time when I visited Hair Club, my local hair club. They started to carry ready-to-wear wigs, and one of the brands that they started to carry was Vivica Fox. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly. So they had this Eunice wig over there, and I tried it on, and I kind of fell in love with it. This is what it looked like. It was this color right here. And so from that point forward, I just dreamed of this Eunice wig. Well, I went to go find it, and it turns out that apparently it's discontinued now. Well, I did find it. I found it for a really good deal on a website. What is it called? It's called Go BB, I believe. I'll have the link down below. And I got it for $30. But it turns out that I actually ordered the wrong color. I wanted to order one of their special colors, the STT1B/oil, which is a special two-tone color, off black, roots, and multi-blue tone, burgundy and green mixed in the bottom. And I ended up getting STT1B green too. So it's, but the thing is, I really love this color, and guess what? St. Patrick's Day is next week. Perfect timing. I think the stars aligned or something, because now I have something green to wear. This is the Eunice wig in the green shade, and look at that color. It's kind of like a peacock green. It's very, very pretty. So even though this wig is discontinued, you can find it if you look up Vivica Fox Eunice. And just forgive me if I'm not pronouncing these words correctly. You can just tell me down in the comments. You can look up this wig and find it in some of their basic colors on some random websites here and there if you're interested in this style. I did find the oil color on another website that I ordered because I was kind of determined to find that color and get that color. So that one is on its way, but I'm okay having this green because I think it's pretty amazing. I debated on doing this review because it is discontinued. I think that doing the review is fine because you can sometimes still find those discontinued wigs lingering around on these websites. Also, I've never done a review on one of these types of wigs, so it just gives you guys an idea of my thoughts on these types of wigs. Now, the lace is a little bit darker than my skin tone, so we'll see how that works out. When you get these wigs, it does have that front lace area that you'll need to trim off, so I will do that as well. But just to give you a quick overview of what this style is, this Eunice wig has a jumbo 6x4" lace front along with the new Futura fiber that is heat friendly. It's 27 inches long. It's very layered, and it's loosely curled. It has a versatile parting, so you can part it every which way, which is super nice. Just makes the whole thing that much more realistic. It has texture. It doesn't tangle. I wore it throughout the day the other day, and it was great. It's definitely full and voluminous. I just love it. It's like mermaid hair. Somebody said I looked like a superhero with this green hair on. I was like, I'll take it. Anyway, so I'm going to cut this lace, and then we will put her on. Okay, so I just trimmed the lace. Let me show you guys the underside of this cap construction before I put her on. So you see that jumbo lace front that extends into that crown area for multi-directional parting space. Then you have open wefting. It's nice you have these combs. 1, 2, 3 combs. Oh, 4 combs. You have your adjusters at the nape, so you can make that wig fit tighter or looser. These are where the ear tabs are, which have those combs. The construction looks really durable and nice. Same with the lace material. The fibers look great to me. They're not like shiny fake synthetic. It kind of has like a texturized look to it. I don't know if you guys can tell. I love the green because you have like the dark brown, you have almost like a blue in there, and then the dark green. Definitely screams like peacock to me, and I love it. Okay, I'm gonna put on this cap. Nice and roomy and stretchy, feels comfortable. I wear an average size wig in the majority of wig brands, and this fits me very well. Okay, so this is what the knots look like and the darker lace on me. I actually think it looks decent. I probably wouldn't wear it like off and away from the face like this, but I think it's such a pretty wig. I love the waves, the fullness, the color, and I feel like a superhero. I wish I felt like a superhero. Today with my 3-year-old, he was owning me. What do you guys think about this wig? I think it's fun. I'll turn it around. It's so long and full and fun. So pretty. So Eunice by Vivica Fox. This color is STT 1B GR2. I'm going to be getting STT 1B/oil. I'm really excited for that one. That's what got me wanting this style in the first place. I think this style would look even more realistic with a few little baby hairs. Let me know what you think about this Eunice wig, if you'd wear a color like this out and about. I think I'm gonna wear this on St. Patrick's Day. I have to take my daughter to the doctor on St. Patrick's Day, and I think I'm gonna wear it. I'll let you know what the doctor and nurses say. At least I won't get pinched, right? Anyway, okay, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.